Look at all the birds up here. Good time. Okay, here's my 360 video. I hope I don't fall off this rock right here. Try to look in the lens. Peace, baby. There's a 360 of Seoul in the background on a beautiful fall day. Stairs, ladders. Oh, I gotta get to the top of this thing. Up, up, and more up. I literally had to pull myself up some rails to get up here. There's some of the rails I pulled myself up. Over there. Here's my hike in Seoul. It started about 6 miles northwest of the hotel. It was an 8-mile hike and I climbed about 380 flights of stairs. Here's the stats.